Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of January, 2025, our system has ranked QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.27. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 1.24%. This amounts to an average return of 0.1% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The ETF is currently positioned within a weak rising trend in the short term, indicating that further upward movement is expected. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is a forecasted potential change of approximately 3.04% over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return ranging from negative 0.431% to 6.97%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it anticipates a change of about 22.27% over the next year, with a potential return between 12.66% and 28.1%. This implies a price range of approximately $595.21 to $676.76 after a year. Our latest daily update for the QQQ features the headline, Green Day on Wednesday for QQQ ETF after gaining a fraction of a percent. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, the QQQ ETF price increased by a fraction of a percent, moving from $527.97 to $528.30. Throughout that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.39%, with a low of $521.95 and a high of $529.19. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.43% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume rose alongside the price, indicating a positive technical signal, with a total of 6 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 24 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $12.8 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $539.15, while the lowest was $413.07. Currently, the price sits 2.01%, or $10.85, below the 52-week high of $539.15, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments are signaling a promising trajectory for the Invesco QQQ ETF, which tracks companies within the NASDAQ 100 index. Analysts are noting that the financial services sector is becoming a central hub for artificial intelligence adoption, compelling investors to closely monitor industries that emerge as long-term AI leaders. This shift towards AI could boost the revenues of tech-heavy companies in the index, which may positively impact QQQ's stock price both in the short and long term. Moreover, volatility in the market has led to increased discussions about hedging strategies. With firms like Growth Investor Pro advocating for the use of QQQ as a defense against market fluctuations, we could see a strengthening of investor confidence that typically supports price stability and potential upside. The ETF has also garnered attention due to significant institutional investments. A recent strategy by Juniper Hill Capital Management involved a 300% increase in their QQQ holdings, illustrating strong institutional belief in tech stocks' ability to rise further this year. Such institutional buying can create upward momentum in stock prices as larger purchases signal faith in the market's direction. In January, ETFs, including QQQ, experienced over $100 billion in net inflows, reflecting overall bullish sentiment towards equities as we move through 2025. This positive sentiment is essential for sustaining the momentum in QQQ and indicates a broader investor expectation of continued recovery and growth. As these trends unfold, both the immediate future and midterm outlook for QQQ appears robust, driven by AI advancements, strategic investments, and strong market inflow, positioning it well for potential price appreciation. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, providing a positive outlook for the fund. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support is expected at 526.98 cents and 520.90 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact near-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 23, 2025, and since then, it has declined by 0.81%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 15 days ago. Bollinger reveals a buy signal from 16 days ago. The short-term moving average presents a sell signal from 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 8 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 9 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a buy signal from 107 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $521.74, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Overall, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and due to its good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. During the past day, the ETF experienced a movement of $7.24 between its high and low, which is an increase of 1.39%. Over the last week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.10%. Before we explore potential trading levels for QQQ, it's important to review some key fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This significant metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a lack of confidence in the company's future or suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $529.60. If you don't own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $521.74. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $506.23, reflecting a decrease of 4.18%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a reduced level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been identified from a pivot top that occurred 14 days ago. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for the QQQ exchange-traded fund to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 13th of February, we anticipate that QQQ will open down by $1.82, starting at $526.48. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information provided, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.